we're going to be showing you how to make a simple bench with these materials.
Okay.
So, whoa. Don't you need to plug that in? So you want to do half the length of the board here. We were doing a longer board. You could do shorter board. Just make sure it's like this for your height. Got it?
So first you want.
Wait. So, get back. Okay.
Hi, I'm Gummy Bear.
4D. 4D. And 3D! Back to the video. Oh, by the way, do not get poop on our saw.
Yeah. This one?
Dun, 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 dun.
Have you ever made one of these before? Which is kind of the same thing as this, right?
Okay.
And this one's higher.
Driver and
Step on the wood while I'm doing it.
so you want to cut it to the height you want it. Didn't your dad cut his thumb off with one of those?
Mm-hmm.
Then why do you use?
You don't want to use this and put a staple in your finger either.
Which you did.
And you don't want to put this in poop and then clean it off thinking it's mud and it's actually poop. You didn't get poop on it. Awkward, huh?
Super.
Wait, that's a cross. That's fun.
Right there.
Get your foot back.
Cut it to the height you need it. For anybody who didn't hear me right there, cut it to the height you need it. Got it? So cut it to your, if you're doing it for you or your kids, just make sure you cut it for the right
Not too short, not too tall.
right height.
Exactly.
So perfect for me and my little sister.
Hey!
That's
Gummy Bear.
Gummy Bear. I forget.
You're,
4D. And I'm 3D. So we're showing you. Yes, there is a gaming channel. Alright, just kidding. There is gaming on this channel. That looks a little big. But we're using it. So looks.
Cut this in half.
Yeah, this needs to be below that.
like exactly right there.
Yeah, right. Yeah. Basically, in between these two little marks here that we made. Or right there. Oh, you also need one of these hoses for your using. Oh yeah. Whoa, whoa.
Stay back.
Whoa, whoa. This is my new puppy. Whoa.
Wait, Dad.
I just connected the air.
But
Oh.
Dad, wait, Dad.
And that is
here,
it.
I want you to cut wood this big for you to put
Okay.
sides.
Thank you for watching, and 3D, 4D, and Gummy Bear, and Will
And then,
signing off
like,
for today's video.
box that you
By the way.